Welcome to Seagate's Rescue Data Recovery Services, your best resource against the external threat of data loss to your Seagate Skyhawk surveillance hard drive. You've got to stay proactive and plan ahead in this crazy world. Sometimes, even your cameras won't see the outside dangers to your robust surveillance drive. Vandalism, fire, and water damage. Even a simple power surge can compromise your data. That's where we come in, and we make this look good. All Skyhawk hard drives come with 3 years free rescue data recovery services. Believe me, it's out of this world. We're the best in the business, providing top-notch data recovery and rapid replacement drive services. The process is quick, secure, and couldn't be simpler. From registration to claim to recovery. And it's all done in-house at Seagate's secure design labs by our seasoned pros. No rookies. We'll help get your most important digital memories and business assets back to you. And we'll do it for no extra charge. Our team is on standby, so be sure to register your Skyhawk drive today and have peace of mind that Seagate have got your back. We'll see you out there.